Say hi, fat ass. Say hi.
No.
Okay. Oh, we're bots. Okay, again there, honey bun. Alright, chat. The road trip starts here.
What are you talking about, bro?
Can we get a little W's going in the chat?
Go, chat. Naked, chat.
Amen. We not gonna be back in the biddy for
3 days, 3.5 days. Bro,
one night, bro. It's one night. It's one night.
It's gonna feel like 3.5 days, though.
2 nights and 1 day.
Bro, what are we listening to?
Chad, why did we spawn at Walmart, Chad? Shut up, young boy. Why did we spawn at Walmart? Chad. Mods, ban his whole shit. What the fuck is this shit?
Stop riding that dick, nigga. Stop riding that dick. Stop riding that dick.
My dad.
We're going up there, chat.
Not brothers either, yeah. Not they brothers.
Chat, we had to stop and look at the Yameen. Holy crap.
Look at this shit, bro.
I've never seen a waterfall
We made it
in
out
my life.
the hood, bro.
What?
We made it out the hood.
Oh. Yo, he almost fell.
If I was in my car, I would have been.
You fat as fuck. Steve. We made it, chat.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
Take the beat. Take my hand.
Fuck
I
up.
bet you do it.
See blue. I pulled the sea blue. I think the earth is flat.
Nice.
Like if we being honest. I know that's a good point.
Wait, down there the highway? I think you're the main character.
Oh, it's a fire.
He said you think you're the main character.
It's a fire, chat.
Can you see?
Guys, he has no ops. Like, you really think he has ops up there? Come on, chat.
We climb mountains like Everest. Do my little dance on the
Alright, shut the fuck up.
Watch us jump. Watch us bungee jump.
What?
You're gay. He's gay.
I ain't no bug. Weekend, all those people like chicken. Queso.
What's up, chat?
Go, queso on my burrito like a chicken. Let's go, chat. Chat GBT.
I use that.
Look at you already messing up the. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, chat. Today we about to go kayaking.
Who care about them?
Point down there.
Oh, my fault.
Come back. Kayak freestyle.
Bro, come on.
Alright, we got this bottle ahead, so I think it's time to.
Do it to me. I want to see how it feels. Like, no pause.
Bro, you going too fast, man. See where I stop. You got it.
Go, chat.
Yo, chat.
Let's go, chat.
Yo, y'all got a race. Stand over there and come back. John, you going to short.
We ate with this little one.
Huh?
We ate. Alright, chat, we about to go all the way down there. Oh my god, I just cooked them. He all the way back there. Ain't nothing. Is there fish in here? Damn, it's clear. Oh!
Hold up. Where we at?
You think they blocked us for a reason? Or should we go chat? Let's go fishing!
More time.
Let's go bowling.
Oh, shit.
Go dumbass.
Bro, they put the ice on his hoodies when that is
Ain't shit fucking funny.
Dickhead. You're dumb as shit. I'm fried.
No way, chat. They're actually going fishing, chat.
Watch this, chat. Watch. Oh, I ate. Boom!
That's fucking butt.
Niggas bored. Shit tragic. New paddock. I hop out the whip and I let that shit splatter. I said all that blood. Yeah, we spilled shit. Hop out the whip.
Well, I think I ain't gonna lie. I think I got a beat downloaded.
That's dicky. Yeah. You was thinking about me. I know you was.
No. I don't do it, bro.
I know.
Bro, it's grabbing, calling it granite.
But who's doing that, bro?
I don't need to, bro.
What's the move though?
I'm scared of you?
Nigga, I'm trying to fucking sleep.
Somebody happened tonight. I know niggas not getting
Rattlesnakes up there.
Niggas
There's
going
fucking deers.
Niggas
It was
gonna-
like throw the deer head in a bag and then put it in some little box thingy.
Bro, what?
Mm-hmm.
You lying.
What?
That
That
ass.
ass. Swear to God.
Wait, what? What'd you say?
There was like
Swear
a
to
hazard drawn that said if you got deer heads, throw it in here.
Why
If
do
you
have
like deer heads, throw it.
Fuck,
Yeah,
bro.
for
Shit
niggas that
trash.
go camping and stuff.
Niggas going.
I mean, not camping. For niggas that go hunting.
Niggas.
Alright, chat, we're about to go hiking and go.
I can understand. Is that yours?
And yeah.
Alright, chat.
We moving, chat.
We getting to the destination.
The fuck up, Wood boy. Wood boy.
Alright, it's that money and she call me right-handed, creeping with the whole next door. Picture us with both butt naked, humping on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I'm J Money and I'm too?
Alright, chat. We made it to nowhere. It's 27 days, nigga. 27 nights.
Hot am I? Emotions drinking.
What? Sprite after Sprite.
27 days, nigga. 27 nights. Mac 11 Ks, nigga. 40 got a knife.
Day after day, it was night after night. Hot in my emotion, drinking Sprite after Sprite.
Life. Better think twice before I leave her traumatized. OJ Chris. Out of line. Out of line. Leaving body out of. Now you out of fine.
Signal.
You lying. We made it, chat.
We did not make it, bro. We about to go right back up,
That
bro.
signal just disappeared.
That's like perfect. Look. Perfect.
We was cabbing to begin with, bro.
Yeah, I got my flashlight. Wait, hold on. It's like that scary Roblox game. Move!
Real nigga would if you win about that murder game.
Alright, chat. We on rock duty. Look at that. We low key eating. Fire duty. While they do the freaking nut ass tent. We too thorough for that. Alright, more rock. Ooh, rock. Hey, chat. Look at that tree. Look at that tree, chat.
Yo, this one got insect.
So the guy don't give a fuck. But look at that tree. Oh shit. It look like a Roblox game. I'm about to do a jump scare. Ready, set. Oh my god, chat. We just saw a killer clown. Bro, stop with the dickhead shit. Oh my god. We just saw a killer clown. Oh shit. Alright, we ate with this little one, chat. This little perfect campfire, right? We're gonna sit right. You mean at the s'mores with the
chicken noodle soup shit too.
This really looked like a Roblox game, bro.
Bro, how many times you gonna say that, bro?
How many times you gonna ride my dick? Alright, they ate slime. Hold on.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm sleeping with socks tonight. I don't care, y'all can call me gay.
You are gay. Then gay.
At literally any basketball court in the evening time, there's a pickup game going on.
Or if you want a ghetto feeling.
Tell me like,
If you want a ghetto feeling, you just go to North.
Yeah,
We don't really play ball.
we don't play ball like that. What sports do y'all play?
We play for fun.
We be
We're not tough at it.
We be playing like Dickie and this shit. Shit like that.
Wait, are you betting?
You got caught.
He played Ian.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go.
W's rolling in the chat. Now it's time to tell. Now it's not.
Yeah.
Read them. Now it's time to tell scary stories.
Let's hit up waking up in the morning.
Oh shit, chat. We doing our ritual today. Slime.
What the hell?
Man, who would have thought I'd be doing this on October 8th?
Stop touching me, bro.
Stop touching niggas your hands.
If you're living religion out there, keep people in check. That way they have the fear of going to hell.
They did.
That makes them want to act good.
No, it's different.
Checkpoint. I mean, not checkpoint. I don't know what this is called, but
Update.
update. I just know there's bears around us right now.
There's what?
Bears.
Seriously,
Yeah, bro. Look. You just can't see it. They're camouflage. But anyways, we're gonna die soon. And this joint right here, actually good. See that young boy right there? He gonna disrupt our tent today. The boy over there right next to him, I don't know what he's gonna do. That just look like a dad pose right there, but he's not a father yet. This guy right here, he basically did everything for us today. You see this fire?
You know he's third when he got the little head thingy going on.
You see this fire? We didn't start that. He started it. All by himself.
I only had one.
That looked like an asteroid.
Bro, how many serious?
Bro. I said I'm just kidding.
Sleep, we ate with the rocks.
Let me see.
We literally ate with the rocks, bro. Like, look at that.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Nigga, like this.
This corny ass. This corny ass.
They in love with our tent, bro.
Our feet gonna meet in the middle.
Go,
I
chat.
think our heads should go over there, bro.
No, so the bugs can eat us, eat our heads. If the bear comes, we done.
But it's not even my bed.
Chat. Oh my god. This setup ate, chat. Holy. Hold on.
You threw it.
Look, chat. Oh my god. Look at my big blanket, right? Oh, we feeding the whole community. Oh my god. And we got a roof. I mean, all right.
We got a starlit roof.
Sammy,
And we got
Yes, sir.
soup.
the other Sammy.
Yeah.
You want toilet paper?
All right, chat.
Look at this.
You're beautiful. You're one of a
Bro, can you
kind.
shut up?
Smile more.
Move. Look at the slope he on, bro.
Move. We got 6 legs just sitting here, bro.
See, that's every time he does that, I have to hit into you, bro. Nigga took his blanket. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bro, Johnny, what are you doing, bro? Johnny, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bro, what the fuck is your problem? He literally right back where he belongs, bro. He just spazzed out. Alright, chat, vlog takeover. His phone died in the morning, so this nut ass nigga come vlog. I don't, where are we going? Then we going on another hike.
Alright, chat. My phone did die overnight. It was at 21.
That's a swing.
I woke up dead, but now we're alive, and we went to a museum, and that's basically all we did so far.
I need a turkey.
Dog, what the fuck?
Yo, where my lotion?
Breakfast.
Breakfast!
Bro, yesterday he
Bro,
tried
he got
to do
on
this,
a
bro.
tree,
I was
bro.
right behind him, telling him, yo, watch out.
Don't say
Bro.
yesterday. That was all you.
Bro, he's right behind me. He's gonna go whack it.
doofus,
behind me like
doggy.
this, bro. And the bait gets stuck on my clothes or whatever.
Look.
Holy crap, chat.
Yo, he got us stuck, chat, but yeah.
Crack the barrel. Back at the Cracker Barrel. Food is about to come.
I just can't cook this place. Fried pickles?
We didn't order pickles, but she still gave us fried pickles. Let's go.
You want some Raju?
Alright, so look, I only left 2 because I'm smart, right? And it says, leave only 1, you're a genius. Leave only 2, you're pretty smart. I'm smart.
You guys want fries? Did I get a...
Go, boy.
40, and then we'll cover your bill.
This you, right?
So what's your bill? You broke it.
Do it. No, he broke it. No.
Ay. Don't worry, this probably had backups.
Bro, this is what my girlfriend sounds like when I do. Alright, chill. What? Alright, chat. We in a gift shop. Stop dicking in. Cracker Barrel. And this nigga look like a Cracker Barrel.
Get it?
So, oh, you not Jay Wilson.
These are all the dorms.
Chat, we went to college.
Good.
I'm putting no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a horse.
We just found a court in his college campus, and this about to get serious. And I'm wearing the wrong shoes, but it's cool. Yo, what?
I can't play with this shit.
Why?
You got shoes? Oh, yeah, that's literally better. That's better. Somebody, I will call you back.
Look at this, they're freaking golden. Holy shit, you've been here before. Holy shit. Act like you've been here before, nigga. Oh my god. Oh my god, this court is too sexy. I'm not gonna lie, Chad, we got our ass bust. But look.
Danny, go ahead.
Wow.
Oh my god, I need to take pictures.
You gay. You gay.
Oh, you pulled
You
over.
about to stop in the middle of the road.
You know what you gotta do? Give me my camera, yeah.
Oh. Alright, we stopped in the middle of the... Yeah. We're going home, chat. Like an hour and 40 minutes.
And they be lying to you, flexing, I'm fucking best. I touch down in that new jet. I got some diamonds on my body, reason why these niggas upset. I can find out where I live. Cause I'm somebody, niggas nobody. These niggas, they be talking about me, they don't know about me. I keep the pole on me, I can't slip. Run up on him, we gon' dip. I got the full fifth, we gon' spin right up in that whip. We gon' spin it through the third, we gon' spin up on your side. Everybody smelly drive, call my brothers, they gon' ride.
We made it, chat. We made it, chat. Alright, rate the trip on a 1 to 10. I didn't even say that right.
Wait, look at this bro dance though.
Welcome back. We made it alive. I got a panic because I'm on the 36 right now. And you know how I be trapping because I'm on the block right now. I keep talking all that rah-rah, but you know I'm on a sucking cock. Whoa. It was a good trip, and you know I had to hit.
I see a nigga with camp phone going.
Yo! He broke it! He broke it!
Change on the gang,
Bro,
yeah.
this for the dead niggas and the fat niggas. How about that whipping out stretcher thing?
Yo! Alright, Chad. We at Wingstop. I don't know how we ended up here, but he's tired. I'm not tired, bro. Stop playing with me.
So fucking bitch some more.
Dirty ass sneaks.
How about the whipping out? Let that shit.
It's a video slow.
That's what my meditation.
How did we end up here, chat? Come on. Say goodbye.
We was in Miami, first time I saw you. I was in a phantom. when I put up on you. It was late nights in a bando. Fucking on you good.